Good evening, guys. We're here at Legendary Ribs. Legendary for ribs and famous and so much more. And this is the legendary one. You know why we are here? The reason why?
To eat food.
To eat food.
Since I'm starving, since we haven't ate for the past 2 hours.
And then we bought luggage. The very, very big luggage.
And I brought 10.
Okay, yeah. What can you say? You're a spicy one. What can you say?
Oh my god, the smells is so toxic. I cannot deal with it.
Kids, yung tanong ni Baba, I think you will like this. Who wants to vlog?
Me?
Good. You will,
What the hell is that? Hi guys, we're at Tony Roma.
Yes.
And it says legendary for ribs. Famous for so much more.
So this is the one, Legendary Ribs, famous Tony Romas. So, okay.
Yeah.
So who is with you?
Lala, Mommy, Julia, Mama, and
Aha. So ito na yung loob niya. Oh, walang masyadong tao ngayon dito.
And here's there are starters to share.
Oh, tingnan natin to, anak. Ano ba mga in-order mo?
I just ordered ribs and the pages are starters to share fresh salads and pasta, savory chicken, handheld
Oh, tanungin muna natin kung ano nabili ni Lola mo. Tanungin mo si Lola ano ba mga nabili.
Lala, Mommy, what did you buy?
Birthday.
Ano po nabili nyo? Maleta ba?
Her favorite.
Maleta.
Pinakamalaki.
Doon nyo ba ilalagay yung ginto?
Hindi.
Pero hindi po kayo bibili ng ginto. Sayang naman.
Bakit bili siyempre?
O, tama-tama. Ang suggestion ko, huwag kayong maglagay ng iba kundi panay gold doon sa malaking maleta.
Ooh, this is so sour.
Anong taste, kuya?
Spicy? Kaya ni Lola?
So after this, saan tayo?
Somewhere in a good coffee shop.
Oo.
Hindi pa
Anong
namin
mall
na-
ba to?
Al Zahia Mall in
Al Zahia,
Sahadra.
no?
It's a newly mall. I think open for the last 2 years.
Ang ganda ng parking, no?
Very good one.
Oo. Tsaka madaling hanapin.
Okay, there's,
Walang ligaw, no?
Own flyover ba? What you call
Oo,
that?
hindi kayo maliligaw
Exit.
dito, oo.
Ligaw. And lots of
Ligaw?
parking.
You have a truck?
There's a Dior here. Dior perfumery.
Mm.
Bowling. You can do bowling here.
I want bowling.
There's a Rolex here.
Mama.
May nakita nga akong
Lifestyle?
gymnasium eh.
Gymnasium.
Gymnasium.
Mama,
Inisip ko nga mag-apply akong ano ron, instructor.
Hindi ba bouncer?
One? Oh, sige. Wala lang mahulog, ha? Oh, sige. So, hot. That's the reason why we have
Oh.
this one. Okay? Oh, tago mo muna to. Ayoko makita. Unahin daw natin si Sam at gutom na. O, lapit mo yung plate mo. Lapit pa.
May papalakpak pa siya eh.
Mm.
Paano nga yun?
Paano? Paano yung palakpak?
I forgot.
Oh, Mami, kayo na po. Papalakpak rin ba si Mami?
Paano palakpak mo?
Lala, did you want this?
Then you said you like sardinas?
You want
Tapos
this, right? I'm
sardinas.
gonna continue with this. You sure?
Oh, Mami, lapit po. Yeah. Oh. Ikaw,
Yeah, please.
ikaw, syempre, ang aking gusto mong lagyan ka ni Rigor.
The original.
Yeah, the
Ito.
original.
Pero tatawa si Camille pag nakita.
Ay, sir. Can we request for the sauce?
Kuya, di ba you like also the ribs? Diba you're eating din also this one?
You take care of your lola.
That's what
Dapat
you call
ganun din. Ano naman yun? Salmon po. Buwak po kayo.
That's what you call Valenciana. Yan ang Valenciana ng Dubai.
Mami, i-slice ko na po.
I only want the
Like this water.
Big one?
Yeah.
Normal? Like this one. Room temp, ha? You want me to put in... Saan yung palakpak?
not yet.
Not yet. Ay, mami. Ano po? It's yeah, we can remove.
Mga peeps, do you think
Mm.
itong mag-ama makakain niyang maubos ang isang buong ribs? What can you say? Nakita niyo na kung sino mga tumataba. We are not balanced. Look at this. They are done. Under hot chocolate.
Lalagyan pa kita.
No plate. Then on the other side, Team White, Team Kain.
O, lalagyan ko si Sam. O,
They're
Sam.
also team white. Team
Sam.
white.
Palakpak. Lapit. O, akin na. O, pag nilagay ha, palakpak ha. Ay, isa lang.
Kasi
Yeah.
madumi na yung kamay
This
niya.
is palakpak
Isa pa.
with the S. You have to use.
I feel like it's staged.
You better prepare this alone. Or else,
Eh baka to eh. Baka. Pwede rin naman baka. Isang baka sa baboy.
Ano yan? Partial paa. Unang maipus, unang paa. O, tapos, after one day, isang paa naman.
Siyempre mas malaki na after 6 months, mas malakas pa rin kumain. Si Anya, ito.
Yes, my shirt.
When Mama said we can take out,
Mami.
Gusto mo ng coleslaw? Hali tayo. Okay? Oo. Ang sarap ng ano nila, ng ribs nila rito. So, ano siya, juicy, tender. Oo. Tapos sa next vlog na uli namin, babalikan namin sa Abu Dhabi. Parang ganito. So, pag nagpunta kayo rito, ito talaga orderin nyo, yung ribs niya. Oh, nakailang order tayo nito? This is the second one, right? Oh, second one. Nasarapan eh.
parang hindi na nga sila parang hindi na sila tatayo.
Nakatikim naman ako kahit konti.
Nakatikim ng konti, isang order sa'yo. Sa inyo
What
isa.
is three both?
Kailan naghating dalawa? Ilang buto yun? Sino kaya kukuha ng isa?
Ikaw.
Malalaman natin.
Ikaw. I'll feed you.
Ikaw kuya, gusto mo subukan kita? You know what? Sinusubukan ka ni Baba? Pero nung, remember you're my first baby, nung paano ka ito subukan eh, gusto mo pa nga dati.
Yeah, that was 11 years ago. Actually, 12 years ago.
Mami, natatandaan ko, yung nagbakasyon ako yung ako lang, wala si Michelle. hindi siya natutulog. Gusto niya, hawakan ko, kakargahin ko. Para
Ah, this one I'm done.
Parang wala pang 2 years old.
My turn. Ate,
You
I've
want
reached
sauce?
my limit.
Just leave it. Yeah, it's
Mother,
okay. This one is okay. Thank you, bro, ha?
Mother, I've reached my limit.
Excuse.
Mami yung mga ganyan na yan. Mababait ko yan. Ayos! Huwag ka na mayos. Oh. Susubukan ka ni Baba, ha? 1, 2. Oh, balik na. Oh. Okay? Kiss pa.
So this is the end of our vlog.
Ano nga ulito? Saan nga ulito?
And
Tony
Romas.
Tony Romas. Saang mall? Saang mall? O Shell? O saang mall?
Al-Sahiya.
Al-Sahiya.
Sharjah.
Sharjah, okay. Malapit na malapit lang. Okay. Okay.
Don't forget to comment, like, follow us on TikTok, and subscribe on YouTube.
Okay.